I'm Reprops, and today I'm making a tank trooper suit for my tank trooper helmet I made a couple days ago. For this build, you will need these household materials, supplies, and equipment. I traced an old tank top onto some cardboard and cut that shape out and refined it to make the front armor part for the tank trooper, and I glued that together. And then I glued some buckle straps onto the sides of it just to make it easier to get on and off. And then I glued some straps out of cardboard onto the top to support the torso on my chest. I glued on all of the armor bits that are on the tank trooper suit, just gluing on and cutting out all of the curves and angles that are on it. And then I made the backpack out of some cardboard squares and parts that I glued together, and then I glued those onto the torso since they're all going to be the same color. To make the Inset Armor, I just made a band of cardboard that fit around my abdomen, and I glued all the details onto that, and I glued some straps on that. And to make the belt, I just cut the belt buckle out and used a strip of cardboard a little longer than the part of the cardboard box that was the admin armor. And then I made all of these boxes to open up by putting a curved piece of cardboard inside those, and then I glued them onto the belt. I made the cylinder that was on the back using some spray paint bottle caps and some cardboard, and I rounded that into shape and then scored some lines on it and glued some circles on the end of it to cover it up, and then I glued it onto the belt near the back of it. To make the shoulder pads, I cut a half circle out of cardboard and cut a slit into it. For the rest of the forearm armor, I just cut those shapes out, glued them together, and glued some elastic in them so that they would stretch when I put them on. I made the knee armor, making the specific shape and then cutting all of the detail panels for it and gluing some Velcro onto that. I then painted all of the parts white and then dusted them with some black spray paint to give it some weathering. Overall, I think this turned out pretty good. It's definitely my best armor build to date, and it certainly won't be the last. All of the guns that I'm going to show in this, there will be videos for that soon. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to see more of my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. See ya.